Could the recent drone attack on Israel by Iran be the spark that ignites a new chapter in global politics? Today we're delving into the intricate web of international relations and the potential implications of this daring act of aggression. Just yesterday, Iran boldly launched an airborne attack against Israel using a substantial drone operation. Dozens of drones were reportedly dispatched from Iran, marking a significant escalation in tensions in the region. The catalyst? An Israeli strike on an Iranian consulate in Damascus, Syria. The White House has confirmed the attack, assuring its unwavering support for Israel's security. President Biden is being kept regularly updated on the unfolding situation. But what does this mean for the global political stage? Well, the implications are far-reaching. For one, this could act as a catalyst for further instability in the Middle East. With the two nations already on tenterhooks, such an aggressive act could lead to a full-blown conflict, which would undoubtedly have ripple effects across the globe. Moreover, this drone attack could potentially trigger a shift in alliances and foreign policies around the world. Nations may be forced to take sides, further polarizing the international community. It also raises questions about drone warfare and the need for stricter regulations and international laws to prevent such acts of aggression. In the realm of economics, the attack has already had a significant impact. The PXG token, tied to the price of gold, spiked to a whopping $3,100 this Saturday. On the other hand, Bitcoin plunged to below $62,000. The volatile nature of the markets, in light of this geopolitical unrest, is a testament to how closely intertwined global politics and economics truly are. So, could the stock market open lower tomorrow, given the current climate of uncertainty and the ripple effects of the drone attack? It's a real possibility. Investors and economists alike will be keeping a close eye on the unfolding events. To summarize, the drone attack by Iran on Israel not only escalates the tension in the Middle East, but also has potential global implications. It could trigger a shift in international alliances, prompt a review of drone warfare regulations, and has already stirred the global economy. As the world watches, the question remains, what will be the long-term impact of this daring act of aggression? Only time will tell.